Yo, what's up, my people? So this is your boy, Mr. FX again. So, today I want to talk about entry type two, entry type two on how you should enter the market using the type two entry. This is when after you have analyzed your market, you have everything in a place, and then the market is just taking out your inducement, all right? Taking out your inducement. Once it's taking out your inducement, then this is what you're going to do. Sorry. Okay, it's just a minute. So, okay, it takes out your inducement. It takes out your inducement like this. Then it does not tap on your high time frame. Maybe you don't have a supply zone or a demand zone, depending on how, if the market was selling or buying. So you don't have a supply zone on your left. It only takes out the inducement, then it drops. So this means that the market is trapping both sellers and buyers at the same time. So what you're supposed to do is to make sure that you are knowing where you're getting your edge, where you are trying to get your entries. Okay, so what I'm going to explain will be the type 2 entry, whereby the market traps buyers and sellers and it tries to drop or go up depending on the direction of the market. Let's say that if the market was buying, let's say the market was buying, what you're supposed to do is you do this. If it's, let's say that the market is now kind of bullish. Who's this thing? I can't find it. Let's say the market was bullish, all right? Market is bullish, is pushing up. Then it's taking out the first pullback, which is the inducement. Sorry, to show something here. We're going up like this. Going up, trapping everybody. This becomes your first pullback, the inducement. Just do this. So let's say this is your first break of structure. The first break of structure, right? That's the boss. Then you have your inducement in place. First pullback. Taken out. So in its second out, this market, maybe your first supply zone is somewhere here. Your first demand zone, depending on the direction of the market, maybe your demand zone is somewhere here. So this market, it has involved everyone. The buyers and the sellers are at the same time being trapped. So people are thinking that the market is selling, others think that the market is buying, and the inducement second out, you always confirm your high. So when you go to the lower time frame, on this level here, what you look for something like this, because the market always drop with a sign, all right? Drops like this, it gives a pullback, it goes down, takes out inducement again, it goes down. So this, if it breaks above this first high, if it breaks above this first high, and this can be a change of character, then it gives you something like this, a pullback, which acts as an inducement. It will take it out like this, then it goes up. This something like this. This will be a change of character. Change of character. I'm not feeling well. If you don't hear me well, man, just understand. You don't have a good mic. So this will be a first pullback. All right. So market might sweep this one or take it out. So this can act as you can sell at a single candle order block for more confirmation so that you don't miss out. You sell a mini buy on a single candle order block, and then you target the high. All right. Target the high. This is what I'm drawing here, is what is happening on this zone on the lower time frame, what I'm drawing here. It might sound complicated now since you don't know it, but let me go to the chart and explain. I'm going to use the kind of bearish market to explain this. And let's just see. Let's go to the market. So I'm going to explain this entry here, this gold. And then gold, gold was gold itself is bullish, all right? The gold itself is bullish, but I had analyzed the other day that I posted on my TikTok account and I said that this market was here. It was somewhere here. Then I was expecting it to drop because there was a lot of liquidity on the lower levels, and I was expecting that the market might drop later. So I happened to analyze this, and the market was not here, but it was somewhere here. I said it might take out this first high, then it could react on this. There's a hidden order block here, it did, all right. Then it dropped. So this was the first place I was looking to buy from, the first demand zone. And this first demand zone did not hold the market, all right. And when it fell, so there's only two special demand zone, the one after inducement and the one at the extreme. So when it fell on this one to hold this one, I knew that the market will drop later and go to the extreme zone. So this is what I was waiting to do. Let me just see what I can do this. What's this play button? Where is this play button? All right. Just do this. Show you. I took this entry. Let me just remove this. Remove everything here so that we can drop on the lower time frame and you can see. Right. So in this market failed to hold on this demand zone. This is the demand zone that I was expecting the market to react from, because this was the decisional demand zone. So when the market failed, I knew that it was supposed to go down. So this was the inducement, right? The pullback that I was expecting to be taken out. And when it was taken out, the market did not come to my supply zone. The first high time from supply zone is here. Market did not come here. So these were by buyers are trapped because they are buying the move, and the sellers again, they are in also. So they are trapped. So what I do is I always go to the lower time frame and I look for how the market is reacting. You see, this is the inducement line. And I'm waiting for the market to create something that looks like this, at least, right? Break this low like this, takes out this inducement, maybe it sweep, then I can sell on a single candle order block, or it can tap on my supply zone as another additional information. So that's how the market looks like as for now. So look at this chart. Where's my first pullback? This is my first pullback. Let me just at least try to expand my chart so that you can see very well. The first pullback is here. This was my first pullback. So this could act as my change of character, because everybody's trapped by now. So I'm just trying to figure out where would I get the edge. And this is the kind of type 2 entry that I use most of the time, and it has worked for me. So I'm waiting to see if this market will drop below that zone. Let's see. And this is the entry I took. So inducement has been taken out, and where's the not inducement? The change of character has been taken out. So as the first pullback on this leg, this is the first pullback. All right, this was the first pullback, the inducement, and if it go, if it in case it could have decided to go up, it will have gone to this supply zone here. Supply zone is just another additional information of where the market is likely to react from. Okay, it's not a must. Earlier I had said that the market should, it's not a must that it react to your supply zone, but if it does, then that's an additional advantage to you. So let's see, because we know that a supply zone will always reverse the market or demand zone, a valid order block. So let's see what the market will do. You see, the market took out this inducement, right? Inducement was taken out. So, but you don't have a single candle order block. So you wait to see. So the first entry, if you wanted to sell, this was the first entry where you could have placed. Then you just place a stop loss above here. Then where do you target? You target the 15 minutes low, because I use the 15 minutes as my high time frame. So Where do I target? I target the low. That's the 15 minutes. Me open and see. Not the 15 minutes, I target the next zone because this is where the market is coming or going. I mean, this is know where the market is going. So that's why I'll target my first entry. Let me just lock it. Then I'll go back to the lower time frame and I look for another entry using the single candle order block. Okay. So let's see if this market will create a single candle order block here. And what is a single candle order block? This is when one candle closes below another candle. Okay. We'll come up with a topic of that explanation. So let's see. Market is not tapping in our zone and it has tapped. There's also entry type entry one, position one. It's activated. And if another candle closes below this green candle, I'll open another position using the single candle order block. So let's see. There we go. Oh, okay. So this is the bigger candle here. So I need another candle to go down. There we go. So I'll put my entry, my next sell here. And to be on the safer side, I can put my stop loss here, but I'd rather put it up here on the order block so that to be safe. And I still target the 15, not the 15, the next zone. I mean, the next zone, which is the next zone is here. Here, this way I'll target. And let's see if the market, so what I'm expecting on this kind of entry, the market to come back on that zone, push on the zone, then go down, okay? This is what I'm expecting. So let's see what the market do next. It's going down, not coming up. Let's see if it goes up and it activates a trade. Man, so look at this. It has given you another advantage to look at the market, depending on how you want to look at the market. Look at this. The market has broken this low. This low is broken, right? That low is broken. That low being broken, it's just another confirmation that this high is going to act as the inducement. Which high? This one. And use this one as the inducement. As the inducement. Sorry, let me just change this to this. We want to see how the market is reacting. So I want the market to come back, take out the inducement, then we see what it's going to do next. So let's see. Going up, it has taken out inducement. That where was the supply zone? The supply zone, you could have decided to use this one if you wanted. This could be your supply zone, whereby you see the entry type. The second position is like it's activated, or you can say that if you could have used this one as your supply zone, then you put your stop loss here. But for me, here it seems to be uncomfortable because this market might decide to push up. Let me see if you put here, but this is kind of risky. Might not hold the market. Let's see what the market does next. It goes up there. It goes up there. Yeah. And that's how you wait and see what the market is going to do next. You can see that's the supply zone and it's playing within. So that trade seems to be safe, and you can see it's dropping down massively. Let's go to the 15 minutes because that's the 1 minute. I was just trying to show you how to end on that one. So on the 15, sorry, where do you target? All these entries you're targeting here, this low. And all are active entries. So let's see if the market keeps going down. You can see. And that's where the market is now. As you can see, it's a live trade. It's a live trade. So the live trade. And I was expecting that I'll buy on this one. That's why you see I can have I'm having this, but let me just remove it. So I'm holding this trade, but for now, this one I did not end. I just missed this. Let me show you another one on Euro USD. Euro USD. Euro USD. Euro USD. Where is it loading? Does it mean I cannot get Euro USD? So yeah, 15 minutes time frame, you can see this is another type of entry. This trade is okay. So on this one, I'm going to clean this chart to explain something here. Just clean this chart, all of it. Cleaning everything. Right. So the chart was here. Where was it? This if you can see, you structure map your market, you'll understand that this was the inducement. It was taken out. This one was taken out to confirm the low market close below, confirm the high. And this one was just some supply zone that were never used. This one was already used. You can see. So this was the inducement. Let me just show you. Can see. And let me just see this. This was the inducement. This one. Cause is the high. Market was like this. It dropped, so this level acted as your inducement. So wait to see if the market takes it out. You see it taken out. When inducement is taken out, you need to confirm your low. You confirm your low. So here, as you can see, everybody's trapped because the first supply zone that it has imbalance, it's here, which is on the extreme. Market might just fail to come on this zone. So let's see what the market does. So always me, when I take out inducement, I always go to the 1 minute time frame to see what the market's doing. And when you look at this 1 minute time frame, if you look at it very well, you will see that the inducement is taken out on a high time frame. But in the low time frame, I want to see a change of character. The first low being taken out, this one. First pullback being taken out. Let's see what the market does next. Okay, attempting to go up now, it's taken out. So if inducement, this one will act as my change of character because the market in the high time frame has not touched any supply zone or what do you call it? Any level of point of interest. So I want to see an inducement now, something that looks like what? Like this. So to come to take out this one, will act and inducement like this, then can sell on a single candle or double block. So that's what the market does here next. But as for now, as where we are now, this level acts as a most recent inducement. So let me see. Now we have a new inducement here. High that has caused the low. So if market pushes on this supply zone, this is just an additional advantage if it does so. But you should not expect it. The most important thing is you're using single candle order block, which might give us something good. So you can see here, this is where we are. Want another candle to close below. Close below. Let's see. Like this. No, it does not close below. Let's see. Like that one. Damn it. Okay. Okay. Now, like that one, this is a good entry point. This is a candle. It's a place. Then you just put your stop loss above here. Then where are you targeting? You're targeting the 15 minutes low. Where's the 15 minutes low? Let me see. Yeah. This one. So you're putting your target first. This one has a reward of 5. But if I open a couple of position, I can target even below 15 minutes. So you can see we expect this market to do what? Like to come back here, activate the trade, then drop, because we are using the sell limit or the buy limit depending on the nature of the market. So let's see, the trade is now activated and you can see that drops down like that. Very simple, easy, and you enjoy how to make money. You can see. And Euro USD is very simple to trade, by the way, guys. Among all the pairs, Euro USD is very simple. So let me see in the 5 minutes. That's where the market is going in the 5 minutes. You can see almost hitting your TP, attempting to go up and down like that, just to play with your mind. That's where the market is as for now. That's where the market is. But if you are at break even, you could have closed your positions at break even. So this is how you get type 2 entry, whereby the market is just tapping, taking out the structure of the market like this. Let me explain a little bit here. Like this. Break this structure, takes out inducement, but it's not tapping on any supply zone or inducement level. You see, linear selling here. Why? Because everybody's trapped. This is a breakout structure. Then, sorry, that being a breakout structure, then this one is just your inducement level that you have to wait for it to be taken out before entering a trade. Inducement is taken out to confirm the low. Then on the lower time frame, on this one, you look for something that looks like this, market is going up like this, right? Then this level becomes like your change of character. When it takes it out, then it gives direction, then it drops. Then this becomes your inducement. So you wait for it to be taken out, then you can sell. Maybe it tap your supply zone here again, an advantage, and that's how you sell. That's how you sell the market. Yeah. So that's something you should look for. And this is your boy, Mr. FX. Further question and anything, know where to find me. Yeah, we're done here. Have a good day, guys.